Open, outstanding power energy network. Introducing the energy convergence platform Open by VGen, a leading virtual power plant company connecting environmentally friendly distributed energy resources. The Open platform is an optimized cloud-based energy solution. It allows customers with various renewable energy resources such as solar, wind ESS, energy storage system, and fuel cells to easily participate in the power market. This platform ensures the efficient maintenance and management of power plants with maximum efficiency. The Open platform supports power brokerage businesses through real-time data collection and analysis, along with convenient power plant management via smartphones. This solution is essential for customers who need to increase revenue and reduce costs. Let's take a closer look at the service features of the Open platform. The first feature is real-time monitoring and anomaly detection alert service. Through the algorithm analysis of data accumulated over several years, the platform provides anomaly detection alerts and power plant monitoring that displays hourly power generation, allowing customers to perform proactive maintenance and ensure maximum stable revenue through efficient operations. The second feature is comprehensive support for the complex tasks involved in power brokerage businesses. The platform facilitates various contracts by supporting electronic contracts between power generators and brokers, ensuring convenience and security. It handles cumbersome bidding tasks such as submitting forecasted amounts to power exchanges and issuing various tax invoices with just one click. Based on proven technology validated through extensive practical experience with government-owned power companies, the Open platform ensures the stable operations and revenue of our customers by supporting activities such as carbon emission rights and REC trading. Open will position itself as your solution partner to lead the way in the upcoming future power market.